Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god! Ooh, AMG. We are on some winners, so the handling's not as good as it could be, but I still got some pretty interesting back roads I'm gonna cook up on today. Put on the seatbelt, okay? Wait for it. Oh, tugs you back. We're gonna be recording a POV. Let's get the Super Sport up in here. Also got the horsepower and torque reading live as I'm driving on the dash, so hey, I'm really enjoying the AMG so far, to say the least. As well, you know, drop in Sport Plus. Let me give you a little rev, if you know what I mean. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy! The whole front just like kicked up. Oh, you heard that? Oh my god! Those pops! Holy! Oh, we love the pops. Hopefully the camera looks good. I've already tried to record like 3 separate POV videos, but all of them ended up being mid, so I can't upload mid. But if you're watching this, you already know this is some fire. Yes, I love that. That's exactly how a car should sound when you lay off the gas. Oh. Oh, yo, I gotta hear that with the windows down. Hold up, let's slow down a little bit. Oh, we're all in Mexico, by the way, and this is AI generated. This is not even real, and I'm not even driving. AI is getting out of hand, so, you know, don't believe everything you see on the internet, if you know what I mean. But let's roll down the passenger window a little bit, so the wind's not too crazy. Or actually, no, my mic's in that direction. Let's roll down this window. That's too close. Let's roll down this window. Let's hear a little downshift. Hold up. Let's Oh! Yeah, this thing really moves. It really does move. To say the least, okay? The very least you can say about this vehicle is that it moves. Okay. We're also approaching some of the interesting turns of this drive, because even though you're straight line driving, it's all fun and games and whatnot, but let's get some oh my goodness, let's get some turns going, if you know what I mean. There's one part of this back road that literally looks like a video game, like no cap, it looks straight out of a video game, perfect for a driver like me, a little car guy. So much torque on the low end. I'm at 200 pounds of torque. What? Like, she just goes. She does not hesitate. If you like, hey, AMG, go. She just goes. For real. Oh my god. Yeah, I was definitely looking up way too high right there, but it's cool. This is the scenery I'm talking about. Like, look at this. This is not amazing. Keep in mind, we're all in winners, okay? If I wasn't on winners, I could do this way better, but I'm just trying, take it real easy. Okay, let's get a little pole right here. Dude, the shifts is like a DCT. It has a DCT farts or whatever you want to call it. Oh my, all my blood just went to my brain. Holy. Oh no. Oh no. Dude, I just love tapping the throttle and hearing the burbles. Like, I've always wanted a car with burbles. Like, I've been a car guy for some time now, okay? This is not my first car, not my first car guy car, and I just always wanted the burbles. I wanted the burbles for years, but I just want to hear a little pop after I hear the little rev, because, you know, revving up sounds good, but the pop is just what finishes the exhaust note, if you know what I mean. It just feels unfinished and empty without the burbles, especially in a vehicle like this. So when I'm not driving in Sport Plus and it's not popping, it's a little weird. It's a little weird. Like, watch, I'll show you. If I go into my individual mode, which is like the comfort engine mode, but I have the valves open and the sport suspension, it'll pop through the shifts because it's like a DCT damn there. It is a 9-speed, but you will not hear no burbles, really. Like, I'll try to get it to burble here in a second. There's a tight turn, so let me make this turn. Like, here, watch. Downshift, downshift. That was definitely high enough revs for burbles, but it just didn't happen because I'm in comfort. Which is, you know, I guess nice if you don't want it to burble, but who wouldn't want it to burble? You know, like, what are you doing? Let's get this back in Sport Plus. Like, I'm already, like, it just gives me the ick not having the burbles. That's what I need. That's what I need right there. Okay, I don't know why it wasn't burbling that much right there. I really hope this POV looks good because, like I said, I've already tried to re-record so many. I don't want to re-record another video. Now, I was actually just thinking, you know, ever since I bought this car, I've been getting a lot of, you know, weird comments saying a lot of things. And hold up. Let's hear a little downshift. Hold up. Let's, oh! Like, she just goes. She does not hesitate. If you like, hey, AMG, go. She just goes. For real. Oh my God. But one of the most common questions I get is, why do I buy a C43 over a 63? And lucky for you, I made a whole video discussing that, and it's on screen right now. So all you gotta do is click it to go watch it.